Valley or BJ, we have a shortcut actually. So earlier we used to pass by only Modern, so where we have many times lot of traffic. Now we have a new route, so you just need to go to Lamansepute KL Central site instead of going to Jalan Tun Sabmatan Brickfields area. So you can show the left side. So left side, usually we take that left and we go. Now we have a new route which is very close to our Palm Court area. So this you just need to go straight. Again I repeat, as many people know that, but I just want to curious to do this short video to let people know. Okay, so here we go. So we just crossing the Riverside Road, and we can see here Riveria, the new apartment, where we have a nice route to Palm Court. So we can almost save 10 minutes of your time. So even in the evening time or whenever you want to come to Palm Court, this is the best route I can say. So here you can see the boat. So Riveria, you can see the boat Riveria. So then just pass by here. Take the left here. Okay, so if you take left, you will go to monorail department. So you just need to take a right, so which is connected to Riveria apartment as well. We can go to Palm Court. So I just crossing the Riveria. Okay, just crossing the Riveria. See, I just came in, I can say 1.5 minute, I mean almost 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes I can say. So we are almost reaching Palm Court. Just come here, you can see the exit here. Take left, you can see Jalan Samatan 6. Once you take left, here we go. We already here in Palm Court Road. Yay! So guys, hope this video is helpful to you. So you can see the Palm Court. So just 2 minutes time. Okay. So if those who already know, just ignore. Those who doesn't know, I believe it will helpful to you guys. Good night. Bye bye. Shining off. Bye.